Hi, my name is Gabriel Lipper, and I'm teaching 2 portrait workshops this summer, July 27th and 28th in Portland, Oregon, and August 3rd and 4th in Whistler, Canada. Join me and let's get to the bottom of what makes a portrait sing. So oftentimes we have preconceived notions around the face that get in the way of painting what's really there. So if we slow it down and we stay present, we can start to perceive the difference between each facet of the form, the subtleties of warm and cool color, the way that value moves across the planes of the face. And that's what's going to make your portrait come alive. So let's get past the difficulties that the portrait presents and into beautiful painting that is cohesive and we can be proud of. Set some time aside, sign up for the class, and join me for an amazing portrait experience. Portland, Oregon, Whistler, Canada. Let's make some beautiful paintings.